10 incredible facts about the universe. Imagine a place where planets can be made of diamonds, where a single teaspoon of matter weighs more than all of humanity, and where we only understand 5% of what's really going on. Here are 10 incredible facts about the universe that will blow your mind. 1. The universe is expanding. Faster and faster, galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther away they are, the faster they flee. For example, the Andromeda galaxy is moving toward us at about 110 kilometers per second, while distant galaxies are racing away at several thousand kilometers per second. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, the expansion of the universe would still outpace you. Eventually, many galaxies will be so far away that we'll never see them again, not even with the most powerful telescopes. 2. There are diamond planets. The planet 55 Cancri E, located about 40 light-years away, is roughly twice the size of Earth. Scientists believe that up to one-third of its mass may be made of pure diamond. That's equal to trillions upon trillions of carats, more precious gems than humanity could ever mine on Earth in its entire history. 3. Black holes can evaporate. Black holes are often thought of as cosmic vacuum cleaners that swallow everything, but they also emit energy in the form of Hawking radiation. A black hole the size of our Sun would take about 10 to the 67th years to completely evaporate. For comparison, the universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. So black holes live unimaginably long, but not forever. 4. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. There are an estimated 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on Earth. But scientists believe there are at least 1 septillion stars in the universe. That's 1,000,000 times more stars than grains of sand. Many of these stars are far bigger than our Sun. For example, the star UY Scuti is nearly 1,700 times larger in diameter than the Sun. If it replaced the Sun in our solar system, it would engulf Jupiter. 5. Neutron stars are unbelievably dense. A neutron star is only about 20 kilometers across, roughly the size of a city. Yet it can contain up to 1.4 times the mass of our Sun. This means that a single teaspoon of neutron star matter weighs over 1 billion tons, about the same as Mount Everest. And they can spin up to 700 times per second, making them the fastest spinning objects in the universe. 6. We see the past, not the present. Light travels incredibly fast, but not instantly. When you look at the moon, you see it as it was 1.3 seconds ago. The Sun, 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. The nearest galaxy, Andromeda, appears as it was 2.5 million years ago. And the most distant galaxies captured by the Hubble Space Telescope show us light that left them over 13 billion years ago, almost all the way back to the birth of the universe. 7. The universe might have no edge. Where does the universe end? Some scientists believe it's infinite. Others believe it's finite but curves in on itself, like the surface of a sphere, just in more dimensions. If that's true, you could theoretically travel in one direction forever, and eventually end up back where you started. Even the observable universe alone has a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. 1 light-year equals 9.46 trillion kilometers, distances far beyond human imagination. 8. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates so slowly that 1 full day lasts 243 Earth days, but it orbits the Sun in only 225 Earth days. That means a Venusian day is actually longer than a Venusian year, and the conditions are extreme. Temperatures reach around 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, both day and night. 9. Space really does make sounds. In space, sound can't travel through a vacuum, but scientists have translated radio waves from black holes and galaxies into sound we can hear. In 2003, NASA detected waves from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, about 250 million light-years away. When converted, the sound was a note 57 octaves below the lowest G on a piano, literally the deepest sound in the universe. 10. The universe is still a mystery. Everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. Around 27% is dark matter, which we can't see, but know exists because of its gravitational effects. The remaining 68% is dark energy, which is driving the expansion of the universe. In other words, 95% of the universe is invisible and unknown. We don't know what it is or how it truly works. The universe is full of facts and numbers that are almost impossible to believe. But the most incredible thing might be that we've only just begun to scratch the surface. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys through space.